YouTube, what's going on? Got another taste test. Evie and myself.
Hi guys. What do we have? What?
Boom! You don't even know what it is.
I have bad feelings.
Why?
What?
What does the label say?
The label say Sunksti.
Sunkist.
Sunkist.
Mm-hmm.
Red pomelo.
Okay. Even though what's funny about it, it says a red pomelo, but in the store it was it said green. It said green. All right.
Maybe inside is red, but baby, the smell is terrible.
Nice. It's gonna be good then.
Smell it.
Okay. Cut it open so I can smell it.
You don't want to smell that?
I'm gonna smell it. Just cut it open.
Baby.
I can tell you one thing. I don't like the outside texture. Remember that big honey pomelo we had?
No. I remember the name, pomelo.
Yeah.
But I don't remember the taste. I'm not.
Okay. Well, it's gonna be a surprise then. Wow.
Oh, now I remember. Wow, look at that, people.
It's more flesh than fruit.
Exactly. More
Wow.
flesh. Yeah.
You know, when I see something this thick, it makes me think it's a cold tolerant plant.
Mm.
Wow.
And this... Okay. Oh my goodness.
Damn, we're gonna get to this today?
Now we need taste.
Maybe there's some instructions on how to peel these things, because I know you just can't peel them like an orange.
Yes.
It's your thumbnail.
You did it on no.
It looks like a red grapefruit.
Yeah.
Ruby red grapefruit.
Yeah. The big part for you.
No smell? You're just going right in. Let me see what it smells like. Good.
It's not bad.
It smells like a grapefruit.
Yeah.
Okay.
My number is 4.
Wow.
I think it's the same taste as regular pomelo.
Okay, so the honey pomelo, to me, that was like way down here. We had another pomelo. That thing was real good.
This is the middle.
Yeah, this is in the middle. This is right above that honey pomelo, which is actually the worst pomelo I've ever had.
Ah, yeah. It's not bad, but this part tastes terrible. See?
We're not supposed to eat that part.
Yes, exactly. But you put in your mouth and then you feel the taste.
It almost tastes it almost tastes like a grapefruit. Not as strong and bitter as a grapefruit. It's way better than a grapefruit. But it's not bad. I wouldn't buy it again because it's like there's no fruit. I give this like a 5.
5. I give 4. You give 5.
All right, thanks for watching.